So I'm saying fuck it right now because I've been thinking about doing a YouTube channel for years, and other people have said you should start a YouTube channel so we listen to your music. You should start a YouTube channel. And I was like, yeah, but I'll wait until I have the right equipment and I'll have the right stuff to do it, and I'll, be in a place where I can make YouTube videos consistently. But I'm saying fuck it. I am in a sweater and sweatpants, and I didn't do my hair, and I am trying to do this in one take, and I'm filming with my phone, and I'm using natural lighting because I fucking don't have lights, and the audio is probably shit, and I just woke up, so my voice is shit, but I don't care because I want to start this, and I want to do this, and I just want to do it, so I'm doing it. And this is Cough Syrup by Young the Giant. Yeah. All right. Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Oh. The wet world aches for a beat of drum. Oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to calm down, calm down. Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm coming up now out of the blue. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Oh. The dark world aches for a splash of the sun. Oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. So I run back to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to calm down, calm down. Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing control. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. So I run back to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to calm down, calm down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. Booyah, motherfucker. Okay, so I think that was a one take. I might do another take. I don't know if I'm feeling spicy. I have too much energy. Thank you for watching if you did. Probably nobody will. Haha.